The Airport Express Metro Corridor has been strategically designed in such a way that it serves citizens in multiple ways, connecting lakhs of people residing in and around Shamshabad area to the employment hubs like Financial District and other major parts of the city in 30 minutes. This Airport Express Metro will make ease of travel possible for the employees who are working in IT and aerospace industrial clusters like Adibatla, and also will become a great connect to the world's largest pharma cluster, Hyderabad Pharma City. As the city is ever expanding beyond ORR and the upcoming regional ring road, this project is conceptualized to strengthen the public transport further in making space for the developments ahead.